Hey guys, Brian here. Welcome back to improving this old truck. Since I got the transmission fixed and fixed some of the marker lights on here and just kind of going through touching up on service things that have been neglected, getting them done. One of the things I've wanted to do for a while, this truck has a vibration when you get over about 70, between 70 and 75, it gets a vibration in it, and I'm pretty sure it's from the wheels. So I'm going to try some of these Centramatics on here and see if it doesn't smooth out the ride or if it's just a waste of money. We'll find out. But I've had people recommend them and say that they work good, so I'm going to find out for myself. I should have a set for the front and a set for the back for the duals. I don't know, these are coin wheels on this truck, so they may have some issues with fitment, but we're going to find out. So let's open them up and see what we got, I guess. $408 front. Yeah, I got a warranty card. Instructions look like if you can change the tire, you can put these on. So let's get a jack over here and get to it. Okay, so the studs on these Dodges are too big to go through the Centramatic holes. So I had to go in there with a 5/8 drill bit and open them up. Now I'm putting on these cone nuts, which are an invaluable resource on these first gen trucks because they use coined wheels, and that's the best way to get the wheels centered on the lugs. And this is probably going to have to jam indentations into this piece for it to go up on here, so we'll see how that goes. Should be able to take these balance weights off here, but I'm just going to leave them. We're within 5,000ths there. Yep. Weight will knock it off. I'm gonna clear it there. That's within 10 there. I'd say that's really good. No more than 30 on that ring. I don't know what that amounts to in the tire, but say hi, Simba. Simba's old dog, been around here for a while, but he and Bailey didn't get along the best, so Simba usually stayed in the kennel up there. But now that Bailey's gone, Simba gets to get out and run around some, mainly because his kennel got smashed by a tree, so haven't had time to fix it, so he's just out enjoying the best good life. I kind of worry about him because he looks like a coyote, and I'm afraid somebody will shoot him thinking he's a coyote, but he's really a Belgian Malinois, so I'm told. I don't know. He just showed up just like Bailey, so it's kind of the way dogs do around here. They just show up. If he wouldn't pee on everything, I'd let him wander around here in the shop, but he likes to mark everything, so not the best shop dog. You gotta really keep an eye on him, don't you? Go do something. Seems to be pretty true. So let's do the other side. Probably voiding the warranty, but you know, these won't fit any other way, so might as well do it too. Might as well grease everything while we're here too. Job's not done, inspections have to wait. I don't know if these faces on this thing will rust bad, or I assume not. It looks to be coated, but we'll never see. Paint can't hurt anything. These tires got about 50,000 on them. I guess they're not doing too bad. They still look decent. Not getting any crazy tread wear patterns, which is a good sign. Shows about 40 lateral. Showing about 40. Let's see if putting weight on when I tighten it up helps. Well, I got them on. You can kind of see it in there in between the duals. Kind of feel like maybe I should have gone with the next size bigger diameter. These are the ones they say for a 16, but ones for a 17 or 18 would be better. They would get the hand hole further out to where it would align with the air chuck better. Simba's come for the wag of approval. It's definitely getting a wag. He must like them. You like them? Simba approves, even though he's never ridden in it, so. Put my special tools back in the glove box for next time. It's one of the problems. You can't take this truck to have tires put on it because they can't get them put on right. They don't know about using the tools, and they'll put them on and it'll shake like crazy because they don't have them lined up on the coins, on the studs correctly. Hopefully the stamping in the Centramatics been out enough to be formed by the wheels pressing together, and won't be any issues. I'll have to be sure to check his hardware later, make sure it don't come loose. So wheel balancers are on front and back. You can see them in there, and I can report that they do work. They helped. This thing's up to 70 miles an hour, is super smooth. There's no vibration whatsoever. Around 75, I've still got that little bit of vibration in it, so I'm gonna have to do some research and see if I can find where it's coming from. It feels to be out of the front end, but I'm not picking up anything in the tires or in the rims that tells me exactly where it's coming from. So I'm not sure, but it's definitely still there. But again, that's at speeds that aren't really legal, so maybe it doesn't matter. Just keep it below 70 and it rides nice. It's a beautiful thing. So there it is. It rides smoother than it did anyway. I would say it was probably a worthwhile upgrade. That's below 70, it's super smooth, better than it's ever been, as far as I can remember. It pretty much rides like a new truck and performs like a new truck, except it doesn't have the price tag of a new truck. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, I'll catch y'all later.